What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this video on this 67 Chevrolet Camaro SS that we have. And I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. First off, I got it running right now. It has a 454 big block in it. Dressed up as a 396. The thing runs great. Has a nice cam, dual exhaust. Engine bay is really clean. This car was a complete frame off restoration and they did an awesome job. This car is a really nice car. The paint job's very nice. This car is probably overall a 9 out of 10. And I don't rate cars 10s because there's no such thing as perfect, but this car is pretty close to it in my personal opinion. I'm gonna give it a rev so you can hear it. The tach does not work. I'm gonna run through what does work. Let's try the heat. I don't hear it kicking on, so I will say it does not. Horn works. Wipers, they do work. Turn your lights on. Your console gauges do work. It's got a retro sound radio, which works. Actually picking up a station in the showroom, which is very uncommon. Tail lights work. Headlights work. Left turn signal. That does work. Front and back. Right side does work. I mean, this car is extremely clean. I'm going to shut it off now. Turns off. Like I said, your horn works. Center console, nothing crazy in there. Ashtray for the back seat. Interior is in really good shape. There's very little flaws. One little crack there on the steering wheel. A couple little cracks. Probably an original wheel. Retro sound radio. Or classic auto sound. One of the two. Headliner's really nice. I mean, this is a really nice car. Your door jambs and everything is just immaculate. Door closes nicely. Got your 396 badges. It is a real SS from what we were told. That is what we believe to be true, is that it is a real SS. I'm going to go ahead and open the hood. There's your SS hood. Give me one moment. As you can see, I have the hood open. There's your trim tag. Power disc brakes. Or, I mean, not power. Manual disc brakes. Engine's extremely clean. I mean, the car's clean. HEI ignition. Whoever restored the car did a great job. Heater core, everything is there the way it should be. The underneath of this car is just as clean as the top of it. You could eat on the bottom of this car. Body lines up great. Just an awesome car. If you are looking for a very presentable 67 Camaro, real SS, this is the car. Trunk extremely clean. Does look like they replaced the quarter panels, but whoever did it did an outstanding job. The only reason that I have reason to believe that is no stampings. But other than that, this looks better than factory. Whoever did this car was extremely talented, and they know what they're doing. Got to give the trunk a little force to close, but it closes pretty good. Like I said, lines up pretty good. Just a couple flaws on alignment there. That's it. The rest of this car lines up pretty much perfectly. Your fenders, everything, door gaps, your glass is in great shape, your trim, everything, bumpers, chrome. So if you are interested in this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, give us a call, 847-848-1850, or visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. We're located in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Open and closed, bonded and insured. Our cars are sold as is, unless otherwise stated. But we do have a full service center, so if you need anything done, talk to your sales representative about a service quote. I want to thank everyone for watching the video, and I want to see you all soon here at MGM Classic Cars. Because remember, folks, this car sure looks good here, but look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye-bye. Mr. Jenkins out.